Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear chat in Instagram. So to do that, I'm heading over to my Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the chat box or the DM section on the top right. Once you are there, just head over to any chat you want to clear. So I'm heading over to this one. Then tap on their name, and here you will find the options on the three dots icon. Just tap, and here if you can't find the option of clearing chat, then go back, then select any message you want to clear, and once you keep tapped on it, you will find the option of unsend. Just tap on unsend or delete for you, and it will be just deleted. Confirm again, confirm delete for you, and it is deleted. You can always undo it. So yeah, this is how you can clear chat in Instagram. You can also delete the whole chat from by keep tapping it in here, then tap on delete and the whole chat will be cleared. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.